Hello everyone, and welcome back to this tutorial. Labels in WhatsApp Business allow you to categorize your chats and customers. Whether you're running a small online shop, handling appointments, or managing multiple clients, using labels can make your workflow smoother, faster, and more professional. In this tutorial, I'll walk you step by step on how to create and use labels on WhatsApp Business directly from your smartphone. Let's get started. First, unlock your phone and open the WhatsApp Business app. Make sure you are using the business version of WhatsApp, as this feature is not available in the regular WhatsApp Messenger. There are two ways to create labels. Option 1. From a chat, tap on any existing conversation with a customer. Then, tap the three dots at the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, tap on Label Chat. Option 2. From the Business Tools, tap the three-dot menu on the home screen. Tap on Business Tools. Scroll down and select Labels. If you haven't created any labels yet, tap plus or add new label. Type the name of the label, for example, New Orders, Pending Payment, VIP Customers, or anything relevant to your business. You can even choose a color to make the label easier to recognize. Once you're done, tap Save. Now your label is created and ready to be used. After creating a label, you can assign it to any chat. Tap and hold on a chat from the main screen. Tap the label icon at the top bar. Select one or more labels to assign to the chat. Tap the checkmark or apply. You can assign multiple labels to one chat if needed. To easily find your labeled chats, go to the Labels section in your Business Tools. Tap on any label, and it will show all chats grouped under that label. This is especially helpful when you want to send follow-ups, reminders, or marketing messages to a specific group. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to create and use labels in WhatsApp Business. It's a small feature with a big impact, helping you stay organized and responsive to your customers. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on how to grow and manage your business efficiently using digital tools. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.